Hey guys, MaxEpicGaming here, and welcome to another video. I don't really do Discord videos that often, but I just wanted to say this because not that many people have made a tutorial about this yet, or at least an updated one. Well, today I'll be teaching you how to access the secret Discord party mode, and for Discord's birthday. And you can only activate this until June 15th. So if you comment like, "Oh, it didn't work," and it's after June 15th, then this will not work for you. You have to wait until next year when I might make another updated tutorial. Anyway, what you're gonna want to do is go to like a popular Discord server, like for example the Slapbows Discord server. Anyway, Discord server that gets boosted often. Then go into boosts. Then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to swipe your mouse across this little boost button, and you should see some confetti. Then after you do that for a while, then a Wumpus might appear in one of the corners. If it appears in one of the top corner, then it'll drop in either one of these top corners. Then it'll drop its leaf. After it drops your leaf, you gotta click on the leaf. Anyway, let's cut to a part where that actually happened. Oh, see, look, right there. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on that leaf. As you can see, you drop the leaf. That'll take you to this area. For example, I'm going to disable party mode. And then it'll take you to this secret page on the website. Or, it's the same on the app or the browser. I use the browser. But, like, you can do this anyway. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to enable party mode. And you'll get this fun little animation, and then party mode will be enabled. You can customize it a little bit and do some things. But anyway, that's it for party mode. I'll probably do an update tutorial on this next year if they re-add party mode. But anyway, yeah, maybe you might want me to do a video showcasing it. But anyway, that was how you enable party mode in 2023. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Thank you.